Are you looking for the best printer under $150? In this video we will look at some of the best printer under $150 on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Epson Expression Home XP5100. The Epson Expression Home XP5100 is a versatile all-in-one printer designed primarily for use with Epson cartridges, specifically cautioning against the use of third-party cartridges or ink alternatives. This printer offers a range of features aimed at improving efficiency and convenience for users. One notable feature is its automatic two-sided printing capability, which not only helps save time but also reduces paper consumption, contributing to cost savings and environmental sustainability. With a maximum print speed of up to 14 ISO ppm for black and 7.5 ISO ppm for color, this printer is capable of producing high-quality documents and images quickly. The XP5100 also boasts a 150-sheet capacity tray, reducing the need for frequent paper reloads, making it ideal for handling larger printing tasks or stacks of documents. The 2.4-inch color LCD display provides an intuitive interface for easy navigation and control of printing, copying, and scanning functions. Number 2. HP Envy 6455E. The HP Envy 6455E is a versatile printer designed with the needs of busy families in mind. It is an ideal addition to any home, offering a range of features that make it perfect for various tasks, including document printing, borderless photo printing, homework assignments, and creative projects. One of the standout features of the HP Envy 6455E is its printing speed. It can produce up to 7 color pages per minute and 10 black and white pages per minute, ensuring that your printing tasks are completed efficiently. Additionally, when you activate the HP Plus feature, you'll receive a valuable benefit: 3 months of free ink through the Instant Ink Delivery service. This means you won't have to worry about running out of ink during this period, and you can enjoy cost savings of up to 50%. After the initial 3 months, a monthly fee will apply unless you choose to cancel. Number 3. Canon PIXMA TR4520. The Canon PIXMA TR4520 is a versatile inkjet printer that offers a range of convenient features to make printing tasks easy and efficient. One notable feature is its wireless connectivity, allowing users to connect their smartphones or tablets to the printer using the Canon Print app. This wireless connection simplifies the setup process and enables users to print directly from their mobile devices, enhancing convenience and flexibility. The printer also supports popular printing technologies like AirPrint and Mopria print service, making it compatible with a wide range of mobile devices, including iOS, Android, Windows 10 Mobile, and Amazon Fire OS devices. This broad compatibility ensures that users can easily print from their preferred devices without compatibility issues. Number 4. Brother Compact Monochrome Laser Printer. The Brother Compact Monochrome Laser Printer is a high-efficiency printing solution designed to meet various printing needs. With a focus on improving productivity, this printer boasts class-leading print speeds of up to 32 pages per minute, allowing you to get your documents printed quickly and efficiently. One standout feature of this printer is its 250-sheet paper capacity, which minimizes the need for frequent paper refills. It accommodates both letter and legal-sized paper, ensuring versatility in document printing. Additionally, the manual feed slot offers flexibility for handling various paper types and sizes, including cardstock and envelopes, enabling you to produce professional-looking documents for different purposes. One of the printer's notable strengths is its wireless printing capabilities, making it highly mobile-friendly. Whether you're working from a desktop, laptop, smartphone, or tablet, you can easily print wirelessly, providing convenience and flexibility in your printing tasks. Number 5. HP DeskJet 4155E. The HP DeskJet 4155E is a versatile all-in-one printer designed for home use, making it ideal for printing basic color documents such as recipes, forms, and travel documents. This printer offers a balance of functionality and convenience with several key features. The HP DeskJet 4155E boasts print speeds of up to 8.5 pages per minute in black and 5.5 pages per minute in color, ensuring efficient document production. This printer is not just a printer but also a copier and scanner. It allows users to complete various tasks, from making copies of important documents to digitizing them through scanning. The inclusion of an auto document feeder streamlines the scanning and copying processes by automatically feeding multiple pages, saving time and effort. The mobile fax feature enables users to send and receive faxes directly from their mobile devices, providing added convenience.